1972 Chevrolet Nova. We're gonna go through this in its entirety just to kind of show you. You can tell paint quality is in really good shape. And got the rally rim, really good job in the engine bay. We do have working AC, power brakes. The door panels are all in really good shape. So trunk pan is in really good shape, you can just tell. This thing is actually really nice, in really good shape. 350, 3-speed, thing runs out really well, stops really well. Now remember, we have over 300 photos, we have online financing, nationwide transport, all classiccaraddict.com. We also really appreciate you watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, give us a comment. We appreciate it. We do these videos for you to make sure that you can see the vehicle that you're buying. You know, if you're looking to buy it, if you're just looking at the old classics, that's what we're here for. We appreciate the views. Hey guys, it's Hutch, Classic Car Addict, Mesa, Arizona. I got a brand new addiction for you. This is a 1972 Chevrolet Nova 350, numbers matching, 3-speed automatic 350 turbo, done in this beautiful red, black interior, and factory AC that is blowing cold. What we're gonna do is go through the exterior, go through the interior, and take you on a test drive. 1972 Chevrolet Nova. And you can see here, Arizona cars, so it's got a few little rock chips in here, nothing crazy, but it does have a few. We're gonna go through this in its entirety just to kind of show you. The panels and the paint are actually in really good shape. Again, Arizona, so we do have a few little rock chips in the windshield, but look here on the top, it's actually really good. You can tell paint quality is in really good shape. So is all the window trim and the stainless all the way around. Trunk, don't really see any type of big kind of defects with that. Drip rails are all in good shape, no rust, no rot deterioration in that, all metal. Los Angeles built car, got a little kind of speck right there. Again, few little rock chips that you can see in there, no big cracks, but there are just a few little rock chips that you can see. There's one right there. Now going in, got the rally rim right through there. Tires are all in good shape. Those are new tires as well, so no dry rot on those. Those are really good shape. You can also see those panels are really nice and straight throughout as well. So is the door fitment and gap. It is really good shape. Sounds great as well. You've got a square wheel all the way around. DOTs are from 24 with the letters out. Looks really good. It's out just really good tread. You got a, I don't really know. It's actually all really good in shape, even through back here. Very well done. Again, all the bumper, all the trim, emblems are all in good shape. No big issues through that. Looks like these are also in good shape there. A little bit of dust, but nothing too bad. Drum brakes on the rear. And then there, tires again. Got a few little things on the rims, but nothing crazy. All the rims, all in good shape. All the tires in good shape, all matching. Really nice paint depth on that. I like that. Under here, so it does have, here on the casting, it does show the bin, but there's a few things that I cannot say fully 100%. The bin is on the engine, but I cannot tell if it's been a restamp or not. So currently we are not going to be selling this as numbers matching, even though it does have numbers matching for the engine. We know the transmission is not. But overall, really good job in the engine bay. We do have working AC, power brakes, and power steering cover. right there for the rad. Insulated. Really, overall, very nice quality on this. I'd actually say it's kind of above average. Now, it's not concourse by any means, but you know, got a few little things in there. Look at this. So door panels are all in really good shape. Windows roll up and down really nice and smooth. No rips or tears. Windows again roll up and down really nice. No rips or tears in any of the vinyl. Headliner's in good shape. Dome light is working. Turn signals are all working. Oh, it looks like we might not have wipers not working. We do have lights working. And we do got stereo working. Again, we do have AC working. So let's get that on. Get that out. Horn works. All in really good shape. Got your extra gauges down here just because factory did not have that. So yeah, wipers are not working. And let's get you in to the trunk as well right back here. So trunk pan is in really good shape, you can just tell. Look at that, just really nice. Got the spare tire. Looks like it's got the jack and a California cleaner there. You know, nothing crazy. Does have a little bit in there, but nothing crazy whatsoever with that. Pan's in really good shape. Fitment is really nice and tight. Get over here to the passenger side and we'll show here. Windows are working up and down nice and smooth. Again, no rips or tears in the interior. Carpet's in really good shape. Dash pad is in great shape as well. And let's see, yep, there we go. Glove box as well. And then window up and down, really nice and smooth with that. That is done nice. Check to see if we got the locks working. Had a lot of traffic go through, so yep, locks are working. I like that. Now let's get into the test drive. This thing's, I mean, this thing is actually really, really nice, in really good shape. Drives out really, really well. Looks good. The paint is in really good shape. Again, it's got the VIN number on the engine. There's just a few things that I don't see the broach marks fully in there, so I'm not going to sell this as numbers matching. It's just, I'm not going to do it. I don't feel comfortable enough with it. But again, I mean, 350, 3-speed, thing runs out really well, stops really well. It's got cold AC, so that's the good thing, you know, especially right now when we're getting in the heat of the summer. Having cold AC is definitely something that makes it just, you gotta have in your Classic. Yeah, so I mean, all the gears do really well. Looks like speedometer is not working. Speedometer is not working. It does not look like clock is working. Fuel gauge is kind of going, moving around. So as we're going around, let's see. Yeah, I'd say fuel gauge is working. Speedometer and clock are not working. Got your auxiliary gauges here. Stereo, wipers are not working, but AC is blowing cold. That's a good thing with this one. And it's just got a really, really good look to it. But overall, the red with the black interior, panels are really straight. Now remember, we have over 300 photos. We have online financing, nationwide transport, all ClassicCarAddict.com. Right after this is going to be the Undercarriage. We also really appreciate you watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, give us a comment. We appreciate it. We do these videos for you to make sure that you can see the vehicle that you're buying. You know, if you're looking to buy it, if you're just looking at the old classics, that's what we're here for. We appreciate the views. right, guys, we're getting under this 1972 Chevrolet Nova. It's got a numbers matching 350. You have your 350 turbo, 3-speed automatic transmission, dual exhaust, going back into your 10-volt rear end. You do have new shocks all the way around. You have power drum brakes on the rear. You can see all of this metal is actually in really good shape all the way throughout in here. And you can see you do have disc brakes on the front, and then you do have new shocks on the front as well.